Now let's see the process management. There are two things which generally we call it out. One is program and second one is process. So what is program? Program is a code which we write. Let's say we have written a program in a file called main.c. So whatever the code we have written in this file is called program. And what is process? When operating system take this program and load it into memory, then it will become a process. So when operating system take this program, so this program, and load into memory. So what is memory? We generally call RAM as a memory. We never call the hard disk as memory. Load into memory for execution. Then some data structure is formed. Maybe that data structure which it will form is having the process ID, which is called PID in short, how much memory it need, or whatever the files are required, whatever the registers it needs to take for execution, and many things more. So this data structure is called process. This data structure as a whole is called process, and this list is called PCB, process control block, and we sometimes call it as context also. Okay, and moreover this program is generally resides in hard disk and the process is available in RAM. So if somebody asks you where does program resides, it is in hard disk. Where does process resides, it is in RAM. General structure of a data structure formed is having stack, heap, static and global variables, and lastly we have executable code. And whenever a process wants to go beyond this boundary, so let's say this is the starting address of the process, which is let's say 10D, and this is let's say 12F. So if a process wants to access the memory before this 10D and after this 12F, then we get segmentation fault. And that's why it is always suggested when you get segmentation fault in your programs while running code, then you must check your indexes of memory used. Probably in your indexes you have used something else. For example, if you have used an array of size 10 and you are accessing an index which is beyond 0 to 9, so sometimes that memory is called illegal access and your program will give segmentation fault. Okay, so let's see what are the attributes of a process. So attribute means whatever this PCB is holding. Okay, so this PCB consists of process ID, and the process ID is allocated to a process as soon as it is created. This is unique identification number. Program counter. Program counter is a register which is used to hold the address of a next instruction. Process state. So there are various process states. We will see what are the all possible states we have in operating system for a process in next lecture. There are total 7 process states and we will see it by a diagram. Just wait for some time. The priority of a process, general purpose register, list of open files. List of open files means the files it will be needing while executing the program. Probably you are running a software and that software needs, let's say, 4 files. So out of 4 files, one file is input file and another file is for code. So while running the code, it needs input also. So open files which will be used by that process. List of devices. So list of devices means, let's say you are having a biometric system, so it needs biometric device to take the fingerprints. And protection details. So protection is CPU level protection, memory level protection, and device protections. So for that we need protection also, so that illegal use should not happen. And PCB of the processes are linked using linked list. So here the tips for the interview are, if somebody asks you what are the attributes of a process, so you must learn at least 3-4 out of these. So you must know that process ID is created when the new process is created. There are process states, in which state it is available. So there are 7 possible process state. The priority of a process, list of open files, devices. So you must learn at least 3-4 attributes here, and these attributes are available inside PCB, and PCB is also called process control block. So we must understand this. Thank you.